Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Namuhla bekumngqwabo waNontobeko Qele lo wabulowe ngesihluku singani sakhe ngalesikhani simgwaza kuze kuphuke mukhwa enzanyeni. So Sitosana Umcebo Cele njena one of the stories lesingeke size sikhohlwe eMzansi. Story lesibhlungu ngendlela lesimanga, story lesishaqisa mtimba futhi ukuthi umuntu angakhona ukubulala makasuka lapho ahambayo anika ama-pictures akho brutally brutally nje uhlibikile insamo brutally stabbed nje kubuhlungu ngendlela lesimanga. So abantu abaningi bayasho nje ukuthi vuthu emndenini waNomqebo Qele waNontobeko Qele rather. Noma ngabe abantu basho into letiningi mayelana nale story lesi, labanye basayida naNomcebo, labanye basayida Sibusiso Lawrence, but it doesn't change the fact ukuthi uSibusiso usathe mphefumulo wemuntu. May her soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out, so goodbye.